Good morning. We are checking out today of our hotel in San Fran and moving to LA, which we're very excited for. But fingers crossed, we're going to be in Universal tonight. We have. But I realised I haven't actually done a room tour, so I'm going to let her. No, I was about to say I'm going to let Hannah finish packing, and before we leave, while I'm doing the dad check, do a nice room tour. I probably won't do the LA one today because 2 room tours in a day is a bit much.
And we are going as soon as we get
in. We're gonna drop the bags and then we're going to Universal. So yeah, Hannah is packed, so let's do a nice little room, a suite tour. It's not even a room. As I said, was it yesterday? I think we've been upgraded, but no one's told us, which is nice because it's Hannah's birthday trip. So we come in the door. We're on room the 15th floor. So we've turned to your left. We have the bathroom. Look funny. We've got a lovely toilet. Big mirror, little mirror, a shower with all the necessities. Not a bad shower either. Then we come back out. We've got a nice full-length mirror. We have like a wardrobe, but it's got an actual room. It's like a door with a safe. That's quite a good size safe actually. And then we come into the main suite. We've got a lovely seating area, which they are quite soft. Another mirror. Also, I've just realised, why are there so many mirrors?
There's 1.
2. And there's one on the bathroom door. We've got this weird vent thing. 2 double beds. 1 massive telly. We do have a fridge in here as well.
$1 bill. $2
Fridge.
bill.
And it's got the money. A nice desk.
$3 bill.
We've got like an iPad. Look at this. And like breakfast meant like all the sections, you just tick on them.
All the sections, you just stick them in.
Hannah's laughing at me. But this is the view. We had, yeah, believe that one. Plenty of plugs. Like there's 4 sockets there. There's 2 on there. There's like 4 over there. Beds are also very comfortable. Would recommend. It is a nice hotel. Oh, hello. Just needs a bit of an update. Everything's quite old school. Just needs a bit more modernised. But yeah, are we going for breakfast or checking out first?
I think we should go for breakfast, then we don't have to tip.
Yeah, the bell service.
Really awful, but
yeah, we don't have any cash. We're card only people. Yeah, so we'll go for some breakfast and then come back. It's like an ambulance. No, it's a bed. We'll go for brunch. We're going to an actual diner. We're so British and touristy. But yeah, let's go get some food because it's 9:05.
is it?
Right. Let's go. Okay. On a boot. In truck maison. Out. Just waiting for a suitable time to go to the airport. I'm just sitting in the, oh god, hotel lobby. way through security. Got myself an iced latte, caramel of course. I'm just sitting waiting by the window.
Que la pongas allá y que la otra pequeña debajo de la silla.
Look at the boss. 3, 2, 1, now. Now. Oh no. Ooh. We have arrived at the hotel. Bit of a stress trying to get to Universal because Ubers are very expensive. So we're gonna maybe get the metro. We have made it onto Universal Soil. We did take a taxi Uber in the end because it was quicker. But let's go in. I've been listening, Hannah has not. Got 2 days on. First ride of the trip is Forbidden Journey. The phone is coming off. I will put you guys down. I feel like running. That was shit. Oh. We're going away. Success. Loved it. Can you see it? No, you can't. No, you can't. A little bit. It's a roller coaster. The Fast and Furious one's there. We're now. They're like a roller coaster. Fast and Furious. Mario, here we come. Oh god, no. Hannah's walking. I can't walk in them. Who is there?
Status report now. Tracking MBU-1 is moving towards base 7. 20 meters. 10 meters. 5 meters. Decepticons, rise up. Where are you, Prime?
Cosplaying. Over there, they're cosplaying. What do you call it? It's with Mario. Who cares? Living my best life. We're going on Bowser's. It's 20 minutes. I don't know. Probably not, but I'm not filming it. I'm enjoying it, and we'll be my film it tomorrow. Yeah. We have finished Mario and now being ushered out the park because it's closed. But now I'm gonna go city walk for some food because it's 8 o'clock. Well, it's past 8 o'clock, and the only thing we've had to eat today, apart from snacks, is our breakfast this morning. Ooh! We're looking at all the snack stands and I'm getting hungry. Oh no. We are at Panda Express. I got the same as I did last time. We have finished the day at Universal. Panda was lovely, but now it was a bit cheaper, so we're getting it home. So we're just getting the metro. It wasn't cheap, before I forget, maybe I'll end this vlog here. So, do you like it? Please like, comment, subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.